Looking to master Excel? Here's why KeySkillset stands out. KeySkillset offers a safe, simulated environment for practical learning, unlike basic exercises found elsewhere. Learn whenever you want, at your own speed with KeySkillset, while other platforms often have fixed schedules. From basics to advanced analytics, KeySkillset covers it all in one course. Get immediate corrections and improve as you go with KeySkillset. Access help from mentors anytime with KeySkillset. Learn through simulations, videos, audio lessons, and one-on-one tutoring with KeySkillset. Frequent tests and a certificate upon completion with KeySkillset. Access all materials for a full year with KeySkillset. Make learning enjoyable and interactive with KeySkillset. Start your Excel journey today. Register now and unlock your potential with KeySkillset.